What's going on this morning, family? Checking in at the headquarters, doing my spring cleaning, getting everything, took out the RV, things I need to throw away, things I need to organize, Got a lot of space under there, man. Look at all the space I got under here. It's a lot of space. Cleaning stuff out right now. So I got stuff everywhere. And I actually, check this out. I bought this, man. I really like this. I think, if you are a man with a vehicle, I heard my guy from North Carolina in Fayetteville, shout out to my guy out there. He was talking about, having newer vehicles and with the technology, what they already able to shut some of them down through OnStar and stuff like that, but it's going to get serious, with the 5G situation. A lot of people, um, don't want to own a newer car. You want to own something that you can actually control, that is not hooked up to the hooked up to the system. You know what I mean? And I just think it's good, man, to have a certain year model vehicle, to maintain it, to keep it up, because it can actually save you and keep you going better than you getting something new. You know what I mean? Because you can add all those new features to it as they come out, man. They always got aftermarket this, aftermarket that. Oh man, well they got these seats. Well, you can add that. Well, what about the backup camera? You can add that. You know what I'm just saying? So sometimes you just got to think outside the box, utilize what you got, and keep it looking good. I remember my grandfather used to tell me, he used to say, man, if you get you a good truck, you can keep that truck, you can keep it up. If you don't get it towed up, you can end up getting another one just like it, whatever, if you find you one that's reliable. He said, but it's just like having a body. We blessed with one body. A lot of people add stuff to their bodies, take stuff off of it, but you still only got that one. But if you maintain that one body can get you, it can live you, 80 years, 75, 100 years, you know what I'm saying? So, I feel like we just need to get to that point where we start taking care of what we got and where we can start actually enjoying life, because, people ain't taking trips and really enjoying life. We got things, but then we got a lot of stress. It's like, man, I got all these things, but I can't go nowhere. I can't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's to the point where we got to stop realizing that, hey, what is most important? You want to have something nice, maintain what you got. What is really important? You want to travel, you want to see things, you want to go on vacations, you want to be able to visit grandkids, kids, friends, whatever. You want to be able to, be a free agent. I think it's all about minimizing our wants and desires and realizing we don't need a lot of things to be at peace. You know what I mean? Just, use what you got, man. You know what I mean? I think that now is a time where we're really seeing it. When people got too much debt, too much negative debt, because you got positive debt, negative debt. So, we got to learn the difference. And I think a lot of our people, we got, a lot of negative debt, and now it's starting to show, and it's stressing people out. And, I know already hear people, talking about the situation they got going on with hoping they don't get evicted and couldn't work, and the little money they had to eat and they had to do this. So, man, times are real right now. So me personally, I'm just counting my blessings, man, and realizing I can keep it simple and be able to enjoy life, because that's what it's all about, just taking it one day at a time, man. So y'all be safe out there on y'all quarantine. Like I say, today, I'm going to be getting some stuff organized. I'm going to be getting rid of some stuff, throwing some stuff away, all that good stuff. I'll be keeping y'all posted, though, because I think I got a couple good ideas I might share with you. All gone. Y'all be blessed.